candidate number 9. Ito, tama na at part po siya ng ating top 6.
Candidate number 9.
Kung kanina ay namali po natin siyang na-announce pero kasali na rin naman pa rin po siya sa ating top 6.
Hindi tayo na Steve Harvey.
Hindi tayo na Steve Harvey. Ayan. May chance ang lahat na maging winner pa. Okay.
So, Miss Clive Fontan will advance to the next round.
Okay, sino pa ba ang parte ng ating top 6?
Sino pa ang top part of our top 6? May we call on next candidate number 10. Wow! Candidate number 10 is Miss Jenny B. Gonzalez.
Congratulations and please prepare yourself. Dahil mamaya may mga bakbakan pa po tayong gagawin. Okay. Sino pa kaya ang gusto nyo makapasok sa ating next round? It's you, candidate number 4. Napaka-exciting ang gawin ito. Maraming nangyayari. Okay, let's move on to the 4th one.
Yes.
Or the 5th one.
The 5th one. May we call on candidate number 12. Beverly Larissa.
There we go, candidate number 12. Congratulations. You advance to our final round. Okay, isa na lang po, ladies and gentlemen, ang ating pong i-announce na mga kasama po ang ating pong 5 mga ginang dito po sa harapan.
Sino kaya ito?
Patuloy pa ang kompetisyon para po sa kanila.
Correct.
The competition is still on for candidate number. Because you're part of the top 6. Candidate number. I think you're right. Candidate number 5.
Good going, everyone.
Wow, what a great show tonight. But congratulations to the other ladies who showcased their beauty, wit, and their grace sa ating pong competition tonight. Maraming salamat po sa iba pa pong mga ginang.
That is true, Jay. Congratulations.